A baker is missing an ingredient.
Mark, can you pass me the sugar?
Sure, where is it?
It is on the top shelf, I think.
I do not see it here.
Can you check behind the flour?
I checked. There is only flour and cocoa.
Oh, maybe it is in the cabinet below.
No, I see only salt and rice here.
That is strange. I bought sugar yesterday.
Did we use it for the bread this morning?
No, I used the last of the old bag.
Maybe someone moved it.
Can you ask in the front room?
I will go ask Emma.
Thank you. I hope we find it.
Emma says she did not see it.
We need sugar for the cupcakes.
Do you want me to go buy more?
That would help. The shop is close.
Should I buy one big bag?
Yes, please. We use a lot.
I will go now, and be quick.
Thank you so much, Mark.
You are welcome. See you soon.
Have a good walk.
Dealing with a closed gym.
Why is the gym so dark?
Are they closed already?
It should be open now.
The sign says open until 10.
The door is locked.
I see no staff inside.
This makes no sense.
Do you see any note?
No, nothing on the door.
Maybe something happened today.
We planned this workout.
We can wait a bit here.
I do not like waiting here in the cold.
We could try another place nearby.
Do you know any other gym?
There is one on King Street.
How far is it from here?
It is only 10 minutes away.
Do they accept walk-in guests?
Yes, I tried it last week.
All right, let us go there now.
Great, I like that gym.
Thank you for your idea.
Of course, let us not waste time.
Getting the wrong books at school.
Good morning, Sophie.
Good morning, Ben.
I think there is a problem.
What happened?
I have the wrong books with me.
Oh, which books did you bring?
I have my math and history books.
Today, you need English and science.
I know. I made a mistake.
Did you leave them at home?
Yes, they are on my desk at home.
That happens sometimes.
I feel worried now.
Do not worry too much.
What can I do today?
You can share my books if you want.
Really? That is very kind.
Of course. We can sit together.
Thank you, Sophie.
You are welcome. It is no problem.
Next time, I will check my bag.
That is a good idea.
Sometimes I am too fast in the morning.
Me too. Many times.
Thank you again, Sophie.
You are welcome, Ben.
Hearing news about a promotion.
You look busy today, Julia.
Yes, there is a lot to do.
Do you want coffee?
Thank you. I would love some.
Did you talk to the manager today?
Not yet. I only saw him in the hall.
I think he is looking for you.
Oh, really? That is strange.
Maybe there is some news for you.
I hope it is good news.
Maybe you won something.
I do not think so, Sophie.
Do you want to guess?
No idea. Is it about work?
Maybe something important.
I finished a big project last week.
Yes, everyone heard about it.
I tried my best.
Julia, did you see this email?
No, what does it say?
It says you got the promotion.
What? This is a surprise.
Congratulations, Julia.
Thank you so much.
You really earned this.
I feel very happy now.
Let us get some cake to celebrate.
Good idea. Let us go now.
Looking for something that is sold out.
Omar, can you see it here?
No, I do not see it.
Maybe I missed it. Is the shelf label right?
Yes, it says cream cheese.
I see only empty space.
Maybe they are sold out.
Should we ask someone?
Yes, I think that is good.
Excuse me, do you work here?
Oh, sorry, I do not. Wait, I see a staff member.
Go ask, please.
Excuse me, do you have cream cheese? No, we are out today. Really? None at all? None. Maybe tomorrow morning. Thank you for the help.
Omar, we need it today.
Should we try another brand?
I only see hard cheese left.
What about hummus instead?
It is not the same, but maybe.
Let us take hummus. We can use it tonight.
Good idea. Hummus is tasty too.
Next time, we come early.
Yes, we will. Thank you for the help.
Let us finish shopping and go home.
Choosing a movie to watch together.
Are you ready to pick a movie?
Yes, I am ready now.
Do you want to watch something funny?
Maybe. Do you like comedies?
Sometimes, but I also like action films.
Action is good too.
What is your favorite movie?
I really like Star Quest. It is great.
Really? I did not know that.
Yes, have you seen it?
Only once. I do not remember much.
Should we watch that one?
Maybe, but I also like Ocean City.
What is Ocean City about?
It is a comedy about friends in summer.
Sounds fun. Are there many jokes?
Yes, and the music is nice.
Would you like to watch your favorite tonight?
I want you to like it too.
We can pick one now.
Do you feel like trying Ocean City?
Yes, let us watch Ocean City tonight.
Great choice. I get the DVD.
Thanks. I am ready for popcorn.
Here you go. Enjoy the popcorn.
Thank you so much.
Have a fun movie night.
Getting the wrong hotel room.
Good evening. I need some help.
Good evening. How can I help you?
I cannot open my room door.
Can you tell me your room number?
It is 304.
May I see your room card, please?
Yes, here is my card.
Thank you. One moment. Your card says room 305.
Room 305? I thought I had 304.
Let me check the system. Yes, your booking is for 305.
That is strange. My paper says 304.
Can I see your paper, please?
Of course, here it is.
Thank you. I see it says 304.
Yes, that is what I see too.
I think there is a mistake here.
Can I go to 305 then?
Yes, 305 is ready for you.
Is it the same type of room?
Yes, it is the same. It is just next door.
Thank you for checking for me.
You are welcome.
I will try this card now.
Please let me know if you need help.
I will. Good night.
Good night. Enjoy your stay.
A traveler gets a new flight.
Hello, I need some help.
Hello. How can I help you?
My flight number is not on the board.
Let me check your flight.
Thank you. I am flying to Paris.
Can I see your ticket, please?
Yes, here is my ticket.
Thank you. Please wait for a moment.
Is there a problem?
The system says your flight is full.
What should I do now?
I can check for a new flight for you.
Will it be today?
Yes, there is a flight this evening.
How late is that flight?
It leaves at 7 o'clock.
That is much later than my plan.
I am sorry for the change.
Can I get something for the wait?
Yes, I can give you a meal voucher.
How do I use it?
You can use it at any restaurant here.
Do I need to come back?
No, you can go to your gate after.
So my flight is now at 7 o'clock.
Yes, your seat is ready for that flight.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome. Have a nice trip.
Returning borrowed tools to a neighbor.
Hi, Tom. You wanted to return the tools?
Yes, I brought them here.
How did your work go?
Honestly, not great today.
Oh, what happened?
Your hammer broke when I used it.
My hammer broke?
Yes, the handle snapped off.
Did you hurt your hand?
No, I am fine, just surprised.
What about the screwdriver?
The tip bent. I am very sorry.
Oh, both tools are broken?
Yes, I was not careful enough.
These were my only ones for garden work.
I know. I feel bad about it.
Can you fix them?
I do not think I can fix them.
Will you replace them then?
Yes, I will buy new ones for you.
Thank you, Tom.
I am very sorry. I want to help.
It happens sometimes. I understand.
I will come back tomorrow with new tools.
That sounds good. Thank you so much.
Have a nice evening, Linda.
You too, Tom. See you soon.
Finding a lost child in a supermarket.
Hello, can I help you?
I am looking for my daughter.
When did you see her last?
She was with me near the bread.
Do you remember what she is wearing?
Yes, she has a yellow jacket.
Is her hair short or long?
Her hair is short and brown.
How old is she?
She is 6 years old.
Do not worry. We will help.
Thank you. I am very worried.
Can you wait here, please?
Yes, I will wait here.
I will call for her on the speaker.
I hope she hears you.
Hello, can the girl in the yellow jacket come to the desk?
I am just waiting. I feel nervous.
It will be fine. Children often look around.
She likes the fruit section.
I see someone coming here.
Is that her? I think it is.
Yes, she is here with another worker.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome. I am happy for you.